Introducing the 2021 Volkswagen Tiguan Elegance TDI 4Motion, a powerful and luxurious SUV that will elevate your driving experience. With its sleek white exterior, 2.0-liter diesel engine, and automatic transmission, this estate Jeep is both stylish and efficient. Packed with comfort and convenience features like air conditioning, satellite navigation, and voice control, every journey will be a pleasure. Safety is a top priority with ABS, multiple airbags, lane departure warning, and collision avoidance braking. Enjoy the convenience of hands-free boot release and ambient lighting. This vehicle has undergone a full multi-point health and safety check, is serviced to manufacturer specification, and comes with a comprehensive warranty. Call us or visit pixel.com for more details.